And the Japan Jawanum Chano, who Jawanum, one cassa who sits now, what now, so I send on Pemasen and Honor. One is so. One a beji sitting influence, I'm sitting no, if you are auto, and now my MPP. Nya what Jane say, who say, who you be man, the Biami, who you be man, no.
Alright, I was here for Ghana Sem TV, best rest. We best subscribe to the channel for my page, session.
And the Japan Jawanum Chano, who Jawanum, one cassa who sits now, what now, so I send on Pemasen and Honor. One is so. One a beji sitting influence, I'm sitting no, if you are auto, and now my MPP. Nya what Jane say, who say, who you be man, the Biami, who you be man, no Jania Pote. You be any wosro, oh, be a red new war. Acting oh, be any war, cassette is first now. We are now in a being near the Zasu, ya no show, Canada, Japan, to what baby and a brataqua, and guess what now, Chromo, baby, who sit near Jeffrey Woonsemono. A horn, Central region, where you sit in the one, sir, who was saying on the central horn. A horn. One at this city news say one at this who's sorry I'll get a mic and I'll get count those was no Joe and Mr. Western region. I can't sit me in no pair who count papa. Who can a Japan who count may I won't mean your folk what rate will be any most worry. Won't me much day and dear who pet see a budget party, see only one party. Wouldn't one party in your dear. And you be a dear, and what be general so by your party, oh, party. What you party? Nashas will bet me a disampass as a way when you never people penny for no moody party anymore, no money loose. Na ye got two by ye penny be when people more near cost San John Board, who near coffin a codria. Yes,
Honorable Japan so to na be or Kotakwa. Na ebimu watakwa omo ye mensem e watakwa e na NPPfuo seat say e na abeka tu na honorable wo seat na wote so na we wo de na wote so na watra so for 24 years say no e we wo de na we it wo de na ye den na NDC for G say seat no wo de so ye bema bibili ye chen obi a it wo seat no e ye den na NDC for G say seat no e ya wo say wo no party na ye wonkwa na ye wo de a MPP party mukra na wo se ye to aba na ulusu a wo mpene no na the whole Ghana yemfa presidential candidate mawo na ye elections na ye elections na say enko in favor of MPP a na ma Ghana nsei na wo de wo yele no man kwatena bruchire wo muti America wo yele no abusuafo wo ntena wo na ye de ye nkofo ntena na omu ye de ye ni sika se de wo sika na wo sori a wo kan ye ntimi nsise ye abusuafo na ye manyina nkwatena bruchire eti ye hwɛ mo man ne nsei ye to aba na MPP lusu ye Dr. Mahmoud ba me oba ntem abonten ebedi tumu wo ye nintentem bedi tumu ma asombie bai enye for MPP nko na be wulu oman no enti said ye wo ne ye bedi tumi ne ye bedi tumi MPP Ghana for so mo mfa tumi ne ma wa o mo mfa tumi ne ma wo ye kam waso ate ye mfa wo man ne mfa wo ma chena
abusan for me cheche mu nyina hwe e hu kan di video bi a ojina takwa na woka se na na ado ni ba omia na ma ye lusu ye seat always kan di jina ba bi na okasa na yesa na ado ni 8 years amemu no obebu na ye part of that na onka hu bi na so seat bi e lusu ye bia ye woka na di Japan nipa boni ni wo hinta di chire e ye wo na ma ye lusu sa seat ni nyina because who di kan catch say you lose to 2022 abrekwan ye ni hu idea bia nipa boni ni na wo twa bre bi say wo ba begina ma ye dede nanso nya wa MPP for mpanimfo ebi mu di wo mo chance aba besi wo kanadi wo kwana wo free sa wo kwana wo be ma wanyi obi am na hwe so ma wo sene ye gu fom a ka be ja jimie no 31st ni du na wo to aba wi asa na wo gina takwa ka me ba takwa ha de kwasi asem bi ana ye wo so wo be ma ye ma bi say ye be ma chen wo kanadi
Ebusia ka se hit me mo bibira kwa ba de ba Kamaris Gary Ebusia ende In the Tarkwa Nsuaem polling station executives, constituency executives, electoral area coordinators, former constituency executives, sorry, me respect him, me salute. And a match remove make a statement. Mo be Pierre who say, Uba Tarkwa Nsuaem, Honorable George Mekurika, and Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia, in the ultimate choice. Obi bie ne wo beba ba keka nsem bi amobi aye na agye so okoto aba de amobi foforo obi making mind ewie Dr. Baumia ba be kan nsem na wie ye decide ewie obi ekoto aba ma no ebutua 5th November na Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia eye ne campaign of Western Region na oba ne Western Region campaign to no ye hu wonders bia na bi sida o Western Region and he said ye hu former MPs, former ministers of states, former MMDCs, constituency chairmen, women organizers, omo declare their full support. Edema Yero Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. You electoral area coordinators from constituency upon constituency. Omo declare support. Edema Yero Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia. Now, videos about out now what is enko for keka na we know a fluke na omo ina ya connected omo ina ya connected omo ina ya can ewie intina ejebo eje nya ba bedu yewra Canada Japan I started in Western Region tour I started and dra na nde odi bedu Tarkwa Nsuaem na oba Tarkwa Nsuaem nne no wo be making some statements bia ebusia e o se nyina yeche ni etie na ye pesemu ni ewu se yewra Canada Japan eye leaders ye to aba edemana ebusia yewra Canada Japan e ba Tarkwa Nsuaem no already na Tarkwa Nsuaem electoral area coordinators out of 30 electoral area coordinators no emu 26 e declare e ma yewra Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia ni yewra Canada Japan the campaign team on what Tarkwa Nsuaem Nicodemously shamelessly akofa independent candidate akofa NDC for be a group woman eyo mo video edene na memfidie mu say o me polling station executives o ma declare the America Canada Japan nto o mo say nipa 1255 e declare maken e be hu video be catch am say that video na na mabontin no deceptive na you are Canada Japan an hwe ni here by the time you beto ababewie ni wenya broken heart ewu by the time you beto ababewie no ni wenya broken heart ewu ye kasa sem wetin you can say don't be deceived by that video don't be deceived because the police station executive on what happen they will not do that omo pewasem. And I made emphasis, I released audios of individuals. They claim they have declared their support for Uraken. Moka said they went there for money, not to go and support Uraken. A whole lot of people came on me and attacking me. And then Uraken in Japan, let me state emphatically, say, the campaign team of Uraken in Japan in Tarkwa Nsuaem, one, Omar respected the constituency executives in Tarkwa Nsuaem. Because the local campaign team, no, they did not invite the constituency chairman and the executives. Oman can't tell me say you are Kenny Bakruma. So as we speak, you are Kenny Japan by no by constituency chairman and constituency secretary one call, constituency women organizer and constituency youth organizer and deputy Oman women organizer and deputy and communication main and a deputy and national coordinator main and deputy Oman secretary main and deputy anko research and election wanko. So out of 17 constituency executives, 4 penny coin. 4 out of 17. Out of 30 electoral area coordinators, omundu 15. Out of 30. In a kobai. You are ken about program Tarkwa Nsuaem. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia by you the inferior na wom obi a baby ashe MPP atare obi baby ashe wa Canada Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia atare enda yero Canada po bae no obi okọ program na si biara she le fi atare na de koye obi ase on she MPP atare mpo na akwene fe ana ken edini nipa behu because yentimi hye ba omi atare ne wo yentimi hye ba omi atare ma ken atare ko mo de ma constituency o mo de ma police station executive o manje nto o ma hye do bia kokotena o kwaji ne sika na okọ ne baby ye kwase kwaji sika ne akọ e baby ebutua na we ne edidi maana first second constituency chairman or Ure Kennedy Japan camp or any campaign coordinator Okroma kase Tarkwa Nsuaem constituency leadership amba program no amma forgetting say on one case or coordinator and he no invite them now when Ure Ken ebeje mic apen or say hey he Tarkwa Nsuaem for mo who are you mo ye wan mo pese mo chese say na mo show akakabesem mo show yi na me Kennedy Japan me 2016 me to ka say the western region me ye say the ma way mo ehia for 2016 na mo ni sika mo ye ehia for Kennedy Japan abatakwa be ka Tarkwa for say honorable George Mekuduka honorable Ochidako Mesa Ejapa Mesa Babro Tinjesi MPC ni omo support your Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia omo ina ye hia fo mba omo ina ye hia fo mba ono Kennedy Japan ina omo ina ye yie no cast as we open Tarkwa for say hey kan ya wo de ba ha na je de wo kire no kan ya wo de ba ye kan ya wo de ba ye won ka so che sika ma ye ne yakọ e baby 200 cedi na wo de bre chema ye ne yakọ e baby e wona Kennedy Japan buefu o make statement no be say hey uka ho o say western region penifo akakabensem na edi omo nti ye lose 15 out of 17 seats e one no be say hey uka ho na ye lose seat no Ure Ken Ure fi say ye kwa central region out of 23 constituencies no ye were only 9 including ono constituency ye lose ye nti Ure Ken ene oba Tarkwa because of inferior intimidation e wa Ure Ken buefu o say onu Kennedy Japan 31st January otuna ba wo asenwia oba Tarkwa no ne duka wo Tarkwa ebe boot for boot na yaso ye ka ti Ure Kennedy Japan say we are ready for you Tarkwa Nsuaem we are ready for you say who say 31st January one year na tikrom ha yan so ye twen bra na we so western region we are waiting for you ye no wo krom ha e be boot for boot say boot for boot ye ka chi Ure Ken say ehunehuna no me kwa so central obi ka che say woman bi o say masa ehunehuna no ya tra nti me ka chi Ure Kennedy Japan say Isema ya ka cha say Tarkwa yo mo ye say Tarkwa fo bi an support you Tarkwa bi ye say no and correct no body support you Tarkwa Nsuaem and those people know your campaign team they are deceiving you. I'm telling you they are deceiving you. They are giving you fake numbers. They are giving you fake images. The images they are giving to 80 to 90% of them are not delegate. And in no buy and only when you are baby. The campaign team on Wokruma. The opposite say they want to prove a point. No beer will say, oh, no, Tarkwa Nsuaem. Delegate as on Motuabano. They are little above 1,336. 1,336 plus. Baby, I'm going to program and to me for nipa more than 500 crowd. Nipa more than 500 per fact. So they chose a venue. Nipa kakrebi ba. E hobayema no be say, hey, no mabo. Me see baby coach omukwe program no. Be omukwe program no. If all delegates on what Tarkwa Nsuaem decided to come and care a big bua for so. What will be Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ban no choir no. A funny for more than 1,500. The U-March auditorium. And a what I say. It the deceptive idea of the team. Omo basi independent candidates. Omo support independent candidate. Omo nye delegate. Ya baso omo do omaba. NDC for in Afra. Ya baso obi fi Prise Universe de naba. Ya baso obi fi Hunter West de naba Tarkwa. So at the end of the day no. Omo mu ko program na te kra ndu 500. Wo de weni aba abeni. Ebusia oba ya no obetre oil. Obetre kwan o obetre oil. Obetre lucky soap ye. Obetre sani ye. Obetre wine, champagne ye. Ote say in the do Super A1 Company Limited. Super A1 Company Limited. Ne you can the buy it. Oil no the buy mediani. Oil you can the buy no. Mediani. Super A1. Sisi a yebeti mi di bi achi kusua. Mesi you are candidate upon campaign for Western region. I dey tonsio. Mesi campaign I dey. But almost serious note. Me catch you are candidate Japan. Sa asem we waka ne nkofo bi akato abet asumeni omega ene nkofo bi akeka say they will do everything possible. Say, Honorable George Mekudi as Tarkwa Nsuaem. And we are also telling you, say, Tarkwa Nsuaem, we are ready for you. We are ready for you any day, any time. It is why you're ready. Come, we are ready for you. So we'll see. When you are at Tarkwa 31st, I see a can bra. The bachelor say, about yourself. Ebetu enye chirunwi ye betre mo hu say enye dede ye dey campaign enyem say when the confidence abakroma abeka che say duka ye hiani o chida ko ye hiani we ye hiani ye da se sikeni ye da se ye tie hiem but uru efi say here ni Honorable George Mekudi kana o kana asem no here ni esi party office okroma o ka kire say Honorable Duka ne mpanifo mo Western region baaye obi an ye hwe ba me ka kire o say o campaign coordinator na odi wani mo okroma kwaten Honorable George Mekudi ko community man obi e ono ode no koto ano fa chairman wo ho o campaign team members budo oye okoye adwuma community man Honorable Duka community mining o campaign team member, Dompre, campaign, constituency campaign coordinator, deputy, or you do a Honorable community mining company. Make I tell say, the second constituency chairman now do it, or you do a community mining scheme, Honorable BA. So your people are deceiving you, they are not telling you the reality. And 31st January, will be a big, the course, what happens to him. Yeah, catch you like in Japan. Say, we see 31st when you in the 2 room ha. Yes, you know the 2 room ha. You bet so say, and yet did any casa. Now, won't me if you ascend. Say intimidation now the das central. Won't me first say who run in my room home. Won't me first say who run and but Tarkwa Nsuaem ha. You catch your point black. Say, I have a beer through. Nobody is afraid of you. You are in Japan. Nobody is afraid of you. And we are ready for you on 31st. So also the meme bar from meme bra. You come my channel. On 31st in your behu. You pour a crow in there. 31st in your behu. So bet me if you are sent. And will true trust them now. Only that since central now would do one in their back room. We are ready for you. Now you over the 2 room. Me I say pressure in your cool. Because Honorable George Mekudi can decide not to support you. And in Teyaoya, and Honorable Dukanti, Western region Tarkwa Nsuaem will win. Into the Obey Biano, you are in Japan. Super A1, you catch us say, Tarkwa Nsuaem, you decide your Western region, you decide your way. Now I show you 2026, no. 5 constituencies in the Western region, Pansha, 2 constituencies for winning. In Western region. In this also 31st, only in the 2 room ha, we are ready for you. And on 31st, Ghana ha, ubi abetenka, or Tarkwa Nsuaem ha, medasi.